What's good, YouTube? This is Country Trading back with you with another video, and we got another live trading video for the week. And I'm not even gonna hold y'all right now. Let's get right into it. Right now, I'm out of town, so the recording gonna be kind of off and on. But I got in this trade because I was trying to get it go up to this level that I was looking at, the blue level at top. It's a 15-minute zone, but the computer was acting a little wonky because I'm out of town, so the trade didn't last long. I got stopped. I got stopped at break even because I didn't know what was going on with the what's called. But on to the next one. I got back into the trade because I really like this buy, so I got right back in. Ended up adding an extra contract, and then when the trade was going in my favor, I took one of the contracts off, moved to stop the break even, and then the last contract got stopped out at break even. For this trade, I decided to take a sell because price took out some highs and then it broke down, so I took the sell. And then when price started going in my favor, I decided to add an extra contract, made it 2. Then when it got a little bit more in my favor, I took one of the contracts off, and then the other contract got stopped out a little bit for a loss, but I still made positive on this trade. I got into this trade because I didn't really like how it blasted through my zone, so that's why I took a sell. It blasted through my 15-minute zone, and then I decided to wait till it hit one of my levels. Then when it hit one of my levels, I decided to take the contract off manually because I didn't like how it bounced off one of the levels. I wanted to blast through that level also. Since it bounced off that level, so I decided to take it off manually by myself for a little win. I got in this trade right here because price broke a swing low, and I waited for it to break the next candle high, and then I got in for a buy, and price was going in my favor, and I decided to get out a little bit. I mean, I didn't get out, but I moved my stop prematurely too early to break even because I got a little antsy. Should have got antsy, but overall I got stopped up at break even. That was in my trading day. I'm up $437 on this account for the day, so I will see y'all tomorrow. Happy trading. All right, I ended up getting into a buy because I like that how the market moved from the news event. So I decided to get into a buy, but I did not like how the candle rejected at a certain level. So I decided to get out for a small loss. I decided to get back into this trade because I had this buy bias. I wanted to see it go up, so I decided to get back into a buy. And price played around for a little bit, up and down, up and down, up and down. Then when it finally got a few points in my favor, I decided to quickly move it to break even, then get stopped at break even. I moved this too fast. I should have waited a little bit longer, but I got a little bit too antsy, so it went back to break even and got stopped out. So yeah. In this trade, I had got into a sale around the 9 o'clock hour. I really liked it. It got really in my favor. I added another contract, and then I was trying to move my um take profit down more. I got a little greedy. I shouldn't have got greedy because if I didn't got greedy, I probably would have got through the trade, but ended up getting stopped out at break even. And then made a mistake and got back into a buy on a mistake because I was trying to close out the trade, and then end up had to close right out real fast. So yeah, I'm gonna stop trading until the open. I got into this trade. It was a buy because it hit my 15-minute zone, so I got into it. But price went in my favor for a little bit, then immediately reversed and took me out for a $300 loss. Just quick and simple. All right, I got into another buy because it bounced off my 15-minute zone again. So I really liked it. This trade would have been a win if I would have just kept my take profit at the same spot that it normally supposed to be for 20 points. I got greedy, added another contract, and instead of ending up with something, I ended up with nothing because I got stopped at break even because I added another contract. So if I would have followed my plan, did what I was supposed to do, it would have been a win. But you live and you learn. The greed got to me on this trade. That what made me mad. I ended up revenge trading because I got stopped out. I decided to get right back in for a buy, and it was a bad decision because the moment I get in, price play around a little bit, and then went against me and took me out for a full loss. For this trade, I took a buy because it did a bounce in another 15-minute zone that I like. So I took the trade, and the trade blasted off, and I moved my take profit up as the price kept just shooting up because price was very momentum. So I just kept moving my take profit because try to make up some of them losses that I made earlier. So as soon as price slowed down and started showing signs of stalling, I got out of the trade, made some of my losses. And I think later in the day, also, I made a mistake and got in another trade that did help me a little bit. And I got in, got right back out. So my losses for the day was just only $161. So I clawed my way back from being down almost 700 on the day. So yeah, I say overall it's a good day. Just got to work on my greed, but I get it together. The day's trade, I got into a sell by following momentum. No zones that it was in a zone, but I decided to at the open it had great momentum, but I think I got in too hasty because soon I got in, price reversed on me and took me out for a full loss. I ended up getting to a sell because I kind of liked it, but then I ended up getting too scared, so I got out too early out of the trade. I ended up adding extra contract and took the contract back out. Yeah, this trade was just a scratch because I didn't really shouldn't even been in it because I didn't trust it. I ended up getting to another sale. I liked it this one. Price did get to my 20 points, but the reason why I get out of the trade because of greed. Greed got to me, and price came back in reverse all the way back and took me out at break even. If I if I didn't move my take profit, I would have got my 20 points and it would have been out of the trade. But all I could do was blame myself. With this trade, I really liked it because it hit a zone I like. So then when it came to the zone, I set a limit order, and the limit order hit, and then and as it was going in my favor, I decided to add on an extra contract, but kept my win at 20 points. So when it hit 20 points, I was out and made up for all the losses for the day, and then a couple hundred extra. So overall, the last trade was more of my type of trade. So that would end my day for the day. Today's trade was quick and easy. I got into a sale when I just was following price with momentum, and then it quickly hit 20 points. I added extra contract and it hit 20 points, and that's it. My trading day is over with. I'm done for the day. All right, everyone. Today Friday, and my trading day is basically done. I don't hit max loss. I was trying to keep in this chop when the market opened. It was in my zone. After this loan, I was trying to buy. I bought into it. Got stopped off real quick. Tried to buy right back into it. Got stopped out again. And tried to buy one more time and got stopped out. So 3 stop outs and I'm done. So I hit max loss for the day. So this day, I can't really. I was trying to see where my trades at, but my trades ain't showing up on Top Step X. So hey, but it is what it is. I got chopped up, so I'm just going to wait until on Monday. So basically for this week, let me check how this account looking. Let me look. Performance stats. I can't really tell. Let me see. Balance. Daily stats. Okay. For this week, up 437, lost 161, and I went up 8. So basically, for this week, I'm just doing the math in my head. I didn't do this beforehand. I'm just doing this right off the. Let me do some little bit of math. Yeah, I know this is ghetto. All right, 437.6 on Monday. Then plus the 200.4 plus the 644. Then the minus 161.4 and minus 998. All right, I'm only up $122 for the week. Yeah, so I should have been stopped trading when I was getting chopped up, but hey, it is what it is. Um, I already was keen on the market going up, so up 122 for the week. Not bad, not good. I know this. I got another account I could trade, but I'm out of pocket. I don't want to. I'm not in the zone, so I don't want to keep trying to trade this because I got another account I could trade, but I'm not gonna trade it. So, but I'm done with my trading week for the week. So I will see y'all next week. And I still not gonna be probably on my funded accounts yet. I'm still not doing combines, so because I'm waiting to topstep X release completely before I can do the micro conversion because I want to be able to do 2 micros. It's not going. I can't really do good risk management with that. I could do good risk management, but I don't. I like to risk a certain amount, and I can't risk it with the type of parameters they got me with right now. So y'all will see it soon. So right now I'm on combines. I will let y'all know once I change over. Y'all will know. So this will end my trading week. I'll see y'all in the next one. Deuces.